Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start by enabling the platform that Fingerprint login needs. Open Settings account sign-in options and confirm Windows Hello is available. Make sure TPM and biometric drivers are installed. Once done, plug the laptop in and clean the sensor with a dry cloth. Position your finger flat and centered on the sensor when enrolling. This improves recognition. Make sure the account you use is an administrator. Otherwise, you cannot add or manage sign-in methods. Now you'll enroll your fingerprint step by step. Click Setup for Fingerprint Windows Hello and follow the on-screen prompts. You'll press and lift the finger multiple times. Vary the angle and pressure as you go to capture different contact points. This is why you lift and reposition repeatedly. Once the first finger is complete, add a second finger for redundancy. Make sure to name or note which finger you registered so you can reproduce the same placement later. Finish by locking the screen and testing the fingerprint unlock to verify success. If recognition is inconsistent, update or reinstall the Asus driver package, Smart Gesture/ATK, and check Device Manager for biometric device errors. You can also re-enroll the fingerprint with slightly different positions to widen recognition. If problems persist, remove and re-add the fingerprint and use the PIN or Windows recovery options as a fallback. Troubleshooting tip: clear cached credentials and reinstall the biometric driver before replacing hardware.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.